Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to check Target gift card balance. To check Target gift card balance, you need to first open any web browser available on your device. I am going on with Google Chrome. Now go to your search bar, then type in www.target.com/guest/gift-card-balance. Then tap on the small arrow icon present on your keyboard. With this, you'll be taken to official website of Target, and here you can check your gift card balance. Now, to check your gift card balance, you need to first make sure that you are signed into your Target account. If you have a physical gift card, gently remove the metallic strip on the back of your gift card to reveal both the card number and access number. Now, once you know your card number, tap on the card number box, then enter your card number on the given box. After this, tap on access number box, then enter your access number. With this, now tap on check balance option, and then you'll be able to find the balance that is present on your Target gift card. If you like today's tutorial, make sure you like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.